Howdy YouTubers, welcome to Do It Yourself and How To. Today's video is all about tool review. This is the 3/8 Tradespro. Comes in a case which is cheaply made. The idea is good. Putting your stuff in a case or having it in a case. Properly organize your stuff, organized. The tool comes with the gun, battery charger, battery, and power supply. This is the power supply. Also, you plug this in here, put that into your outlet. Let me see if I could make out. Although I have my glasses, but the writing is so tiny. I think it's only 120. Yeah, only 120 volts. You take your battery and you slide it in. It has a safety latch. It cannot come out. To take it out, you press and pull out. The Tradespro gun is 14 volts, 3/8 at 100 foot per pound. Very light. You slip the battery in. This is the safety latch. You click, the battery won't come out. The only thing with the Tradespro, it doesn't have a battery indicator on it, so you won't know the status of your battery. But I find it's a very handy tool. I'll be putting it to a test very shortly to remove the lug nuts of my surf, which is torqued at 85 foot per pound, and I would also take it up to 100 foot per pound to see if the Tradespro is powerful enough to take out the lug nuts of my vehicle. I'll be using a reducer, 3/8 to 1/2 inch. On it, the sockets I have is 1/2 inch. If it fails, I have a backup, which is the auto jar. I hope the Tradespro would be powerful enough to take out the lug nuts of the vehicle and also do the rest of jobs that I would need it to do. For now, I have one 1/2 inch drive impact a freeze and also a freeze electrical ratchet, which would make my job much easier. It has the free lights. The others have just one, and the lights are directly on the shaft. So whatever you'd be taking out, it would be hitting that bolt or nut. Since it have free, it would be around, so you'd have good visual at what you'd be doing. The next review I would do on this Tradespro would be taking out my lug nuts of the vehicle. I have to do a brake inspection, and also when I went to the tire shop, they use a air impact which stretch my studs, damage them, so I would be replacing them. To do the job, I will not use my auto jab, but I'll have it on standby. I would use the Tradespro just to see how well it's performing. I haven't used it yet, but I've used the auto jab and I'm quite satisfied with it. So I will be putting it to a test. YouTubers, this is my short video on the Tradespro. Comes with the gun, battery, power supply, but it's a little plug-in power supply, 110. This one didn't come with any sockets and stuff, just bare bone. Apart from the cheap case, I'm just hoping that the Tradespro would satisfy me. This is it for now. I'll be putting a link in the description below to where you can purchase this item. If you enjoyed my video, please like, subscribe until the actual testing of the Tradespro. Thank you. Peace.